Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use Boomerang on Snapchat and iPhone. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To use the Boomerang feature on Snapchat for iPhone, you can create looping videos that play forward and backward. Here's how to do it. Firstly, tap on the Snapchat app on your iPhone's home screen to open it. Tap on the capture button, the circle icon at the bottom center to take a photo, or hold it down to record the video. After capturing a snap, photo or video, swipe right on the screen to access different creative tools. Keep swiping until you see the infinity icon labeled as Boomerang. Once in the Boomerang mode, it will automatically record a short video that loops forward and backward. After recording, you can add text, stickers, or drawings if desired. Then, tap on the blue send button to share your Boomerang with friends or post it to your story. Alternatively, tap on the downward facing arrow to save the Boomerang to your camera roll. By following these steps, you can easily create and share Boomerang videos on Snapchat using your iPhone. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.